Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to be going over how to assign oxidation numbers. So before we can go over some examples, we have to go over the rules. Firstly, the oxidation number of a pure element is always 0. For ions, the oxidation number is going to be equal to the charge of the ion. The oxygen is assigned an oxidation number of -2. Hydrogen is +1 when bonded to nonmetals and -1 when bonded to metals. And the sum of oxidation numbers in a neutral compound is 0. Now that we have that out of the way, let's go over some examples. So if we look at H₂O, first we need to assign hydrogen an oxidation number of +1 since it's bonded to a nonmetal. So since there's 2, hydrogen is going to be equal to +2. And as a result, we need to make this whole compound 0. So regardless of the fact that oxygen is -2, in order to make this compound 0, oxygen would have to be -2. That was a pretty basic one. Let's try NaCl. So sodium is in group 1 of the periodic table, so it has an oxidation number of +1. And then chlorine is a halogen, so it has an oxidation number of -1. And this makes sense, since even if we didn't know that, this would give the entire compound a total oxidation number of 0. Let's try another example. So potassium permanganate, potassium permanganate. Potassium is an alkali metal, so it has an oxidation number of +1. Oxygen in this compound is assigned an oxidation number of -2. And the total oxidation number of 4 oxygens is going to be -8. So we can scratch that and make oxygen equal to -8. And since the compound is neutral, the sum of the oxidation numbers must be 0. So -8 plus 1 is -7. So that means that our manganese would have to be +7. Let's try one last example. Hydrogen sulfate, or H₂SO₄. This isn't hydrogen sulfate, it's sulfuric acid. Hydrogen in this case has an oxidation number of +1, but since there's 2, it's going to be equal to 2 plus 2. The oxygen is -2. The total oxidation number of 4 oxygens is -8. So we can scratch that. O is equal to -8. And then the 2 hydrogens contribute to +2, which we've already written. And then to balance everything out, sulfur must have an oxidation number of 6. As this -8 plus 2 plus 6 gives us a total oxidation number of 0. A few tips to remember. Try not to forget that oxygen is typically -2 except in peroxides. Assume that hydrogen is always +1 when bonded to a metal and -1 in metal hydrides. And then remember the sum of the oxidation number in a compound must be 0 or equal to the charge of the ion. I hope this video helped. Thank you.